Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Realme in India, the Realme 3i. So Realme 3i is the offering which comes with the Helio P60 octa-core processor. It has 6.2 inches HD plus resolution display, and it has dual rear cameras, a large capacity battery. Battery capacity in fact is 4230 mAh battery, and it also comes with a selfie camera which is quite good, and its front camera is a 13 megapixel camera, rear camera is 13 plus 2 megapixel f1.8 aperture. So this device is quite a good device in terms of the hardware being offered. So let's get started with unboxing. So this is the Realme 3i. So box packing looks quite similar. Nothing is mentioned on the back of the box, so that's a pretty clean box package, and you can see that just the Realme 3i mentioned here. Now let's just open the box package. So on the top we have this case included. So let's just take, you can see there is a SIM ejector pin and the case is included here. So there is the manual and warranty information. So kickstart guide is included. So you can see the SAR value 1.17 and 4.456 are the SAR value. So you can see that it comes with a triple slot. That means 2 SIM cards and a dedicated SD card slot is included on the Realme 3i. So that's the manual and warranty information. Then let's just take the device out. So that's the device. So you can see that it has a dual rear camera, and let's take this out. So you can see that this has the diamond cut pattern which we have seen on the Realme 3 as well. So you can see that pattern looks pretty good, and the build quality is again really good. We have a dual rear camera, 13 megapixel primary camera, f1.8 aperture, and a secondary 5 megapixel, in fact this is a 2 megapixel sensor with face detection, autofocus and 5p lens. There is night scape on offer, and the front camera is a 13 megapixel shooter. There is a fingerprint scanner on the back panel as well, along with the Realme branding. So this is the Realme 3i. So you can see that volume keys are on the left side along with the SIM tray, and on the right side we have the power button. The bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot, and we have the 3.5mm audio jack and the speaker unit. The top panel does not have any openings or slots. Apart from this, you also get a charging cable, the standard micro USB charging and data syncing cable, and also adapter is included. We'll also see the voltage rating. It's 5 volt 2 ampere. That's standard 10 watt charging included with the box package. So that's all inside the box. Let's have a look at the device now. So that's the Realme 3i. You can see it comes with a 6.2 inches HD plus resolution display. It has a 19:9 aspect ratio. You can also see the water drop notch included, and it has Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It's a 1520 by 720p display. 88.3 is the screen ratio, and you get a pretty good display as well. You can see the display quality is pretty good for this price segment. It's an HD plus resolution display. The colors are quite acceptable. The touch response also feels very smooth, and viewing angles are again acceptable for this price segment. So that's the display quality of the Realme 3i. Now next let's talk about the software. So this device runs on Android 9.0 with ColorOS 6.0. So let's just go to the about phone. You can see that it has the 6.0 version, Android version 9.0. It's the Helio P60 octa-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage is what we have. There is also 3GB RAM being offered, and this has the May 2019 security patch. Now talking about the camera. So this device comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera. That's the primary camera. It's a 2 megapixel depth sensor is also included. We have all the modes included. Nightscape, expert mode, portrait mode is also included. The selfie camera is again a 13 megapixel camera. Facial unlock is also included, and this is powered by the MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core processor. Now let's have a look at some of the camera samples we have taken with the Realme 3i. So here on samples you can see that it has come quite good. We'll also be doing the detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for a camera review as well. The phone also comes with a 4230 mAh capacity battery, which is quite good battery for this price segment, and it has 10 watt of charging, so that's pretty basic charging, but you can get 1.5 days of battery life on this device easily. That should be gettable, so we'll talk about that later when we do the detailed review. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Realme 3i, which is the latest budget offering. We don't know the pricing as of now, but you can expect 3GB RAM and 4GB RAM in this price segment. So that's it for this video. This is Norman signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.